For the first time, Nepal has measured the height of world's highest peak, Mount Everest, with its own resources. Along with the altitude measurement, Nepal has made public the fact that the altitude of Everest is 8,848.86 meters above sea level. This is the first time that a team of Department of Surveying and Mapping has measured the height of Mount Everest using its own resources. Previously, Nepal had recognized the height of Everest, which was measured by India in 1995, which was 8,848 meters high. Till now, the height of Mount Everest has been measured 11 times, in which India has measured the height 3 times. Similarly, China and Italy have measured the height 2 times, and on the other hand, countries including United States and Denmark have also measured the height of the Everest. The height was different in those measurements, that is why Nepal has measured the height itself. Neighboring country China has also measured the height of the Mount Everest from the north side. The two countries have jointly made public the height of Mount Everest so that there is no difference in the height of the Everest. Neighboring country China has also measured the height of the Mount Everest from the north side. The two countries have jointly made public the height of Mount Everest so that there is no difference in the height of the Everest. Previously, the National Geographic Society of America, on the other hand, measured the height of Mount Everest in 1999, according to which height of Mount Everest was 8,850 meters. But this was denied by the government of Nepal. The height announcement program was done virtually from both sides.
Namaste and good afternoon. Your Excellency Mr. Wang Yi, Your Excellency Mr. Lu Hao, my cabinet colleague Honorable Ms. Padma Kumari Aryal, distinguished members of the board delegations, dear friends. I feel honored and privileged to be part of this important event and join Your Excellency Mr. Wang Yi and other members of our two delegations. This is indeed a special moment for us all. Mount Sagarmatha or Chomolungma has remained an eternal symbol of good neighborly relations and a continued friendship between Nepal and China. Last year, our two countries agreed to jointly announce the new height of Mount Sagarmatha Chomolungma. After completing a rather arduous and meticulous field survey works by our respective survey departments and jointly processing of the survey data by our technical committee, the two governments agreed on the new height of Mount Sagarmatha Chomolungma. In view of the significance of this particular event and to mark the special occasion, the Right Honorable President of Nepal and His Excellency of the President of People's Republic of China have exchanged their congratulatory messages. I have the honor to read out the message of the President of Nepal, Right Honorable Mrs. Vidya Devi Bhandari, addressed to His Excellency Mr. Xi Jinping, President of the People's Republic of China. Quote, Excellency, it gives me great pleasure to state that Nepal and China have always remained good friends, close neighbors, and trusted partners. Since time immemorial, our two countries have been enjoying friendly relations marked by immense goodwill, strong friendship, close cooperation, mutual trust, and genuine appreciation of each other's legitimate interests, concerns, and sensitivities. Our two countries are not only committed to the five principles of the peaceful coexistence as salient features of bilateral relationship, but also have abided by its true spirit in maintaining and consolidating the bond of friendship. In this spirit, Nepal unequivocally stands for one China policy. Over the years, Nepal-China relations have grown stronger and deeper to our mutual satisfaction. I firmly believe that good neighborly relations and a partnership in the field of economic development, connectivity, and people-to-people contacts serves well the interest of our two governments and peoples while contributing to achieving peace, stability, and development. Nepal joined Your Excellency's vision for promoting shared prosperity through the Belt and Road initiatives with the aspiration of building a wave of infrastructures for connecting trade, investment, and people between our two countries through the development of trans-Himalayan multidimensional connectivity network. I have the honor to happily recall my state visit to the People's Republic of China in April 2019 and Your Excellency's state visit to Nepal in October 2019 and the initiatives we took together to further consolidate our traditionally close relations by expanding cooperation in wider areas of mutual interest. It was during this visit that we both decided to elevate our relations to a strategic partnership of cooperation featuring everlasting friendship for development and prosperity. This partnership, along with a host of agreements signed during the visit, have ushered us into a new era of bilateral engagements and collaboration. Both of our governments are committed to implementing those agreements and MOUs so as to realize the shared aspirations of socio-economic development and prosperity of our two countries and the peoples. On this background, I have the distinct pleasure to underline that as part of the understanding reached between our two governments during Your Excellency's visit to Nepal last year on the joint announcement of the height of Mount Sagarmatha Chumolungma, our relevant authorities have successfully completed the joint processing of the survey data and come up with the new height of Mount Sagarmatha Chumolungma. At this historic moment, after having measured and jointly processed the survey data by the respective survey departments of our two countries, I am pleased to join Your Excellency this new height of 8,840.86 meter as the new height of Mount Sagarmatha Chumolungma. Excellency, it is a historic day today. Indeed, accomplishing this important task with our own human resources and technical capacity is a significant achievement. While sharing this happy moment, I extend my sincere congratulations to the governments and peoples of both Nepal and China. I also wish to extend my sincere thanks and appreciation to all the people involved in this process, more specifically to the survey officials of the both countries whose hard work and diligence accomplished this important task. Today, a special state of happiness comes also with the fact that Mount Sagarmatha Chumolungma has not only been a immortal identity of Nepal, but also a symbol of pride distinctly linked to the popular emotion, love, and sentiment among the people of Nepal. Equally, we take pride on that Mount Sagarmatha Chumolungma remains a perennial symbol of age-old friendship between Nepal and China. I am confident that Nepal-China relations, closely linked as they are by mountains and rivers, will reach as high as the new height of Mount Sagarmatha Chumolungma and will remain as pure as the white snow and as majestic as the standing of the Himalayas. Please accept, Excellency, the assurance of my highest considerations, Vidyadevi Bhandari. His Excellency Mr. Xi Jinping, President of the People's Republic of China, Beijing. Unquote. Excellency, indeed, this is a historic day. There are many other milestones we want to achieve together by way of building connectivity, promote trade, development, investment, tourism, culture, education, and so many other areas where our two countries are committed to working together. I am confident that the spirit of close friendship and partnership will take our relations from strength to strength. I thank you all. Namaste.
Till now, around 6,000 people have climbed Mount Everest, and among them, 472 are female climbers.
This is Nepal Tourism TV. Please like, share and subscribe to stay updated on tourism news.